Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. In Odoo, you can easily create the same name of the customer and partner, but using this our app you cannot create same name, and if you created the same name at that time display validation error. So let's see about that, how to work it. So you can see here our module Day Partner Unique. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to sales, go to customer, and see here this customer. First I create different customer like a porter and save. So see here I created different name, so not display here validation error, but now I create the same new. So see here, write the same name Walter further. Now save. So you can easily see here display validation error for the created same customer. Here display partner name is already created. Please provide different name. Thank you.